Hey guys, it's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I am back with another video, and we are going to be talking about 4 ways to make sure you have success with Redbubble. So I'm going to quickly go over these 4 different things, and I'm also going to just give you a little brief overview on the website so you can actually have a visual of what I'm talking about. So let's get into it. So one of the first things you need to make sure you have done or gone in the back office and changed is your margins. They all start at 20%, but you should go in and change the prices based on your designs and the research for your niche and your community that you've done. Make sure you research what type of products are selling at what price point that are in your same community. If your designs are better, reach for higher margins. If they are right above, or there's a medium that you see, or a price that seems to be doing well with other Redbubble artists, then try to keep it in that same range, or maybe a few cents higher or a few cents lower, so that you can compete and get the sales as well.
All right, so this is how you mark up your design. This is just me trying to get the amount right. I think I settled on 52 for both shirts. And then of course stickers 100% or more.
The next thing that you should do, which just is the overall look of your Redbubble page, is make sure you do have a header. Also make sure you have collections. It's easier for people to, come to your page and have a collection of a certain type of item. Maybe it's based on the shapes, the colors, the theme, the categories, just so it's easier for them to go through and shop and find exactly what they want from your Redbubble shop.
So now you want to go in and create a collection. You can hit either one of these, but this one will basically tell you if you don't have a collection, you need to create one. So I'm just showing you that page, and then you go to your manage works page, and then if you have any products, you would just select the product in the checkbox, and then it'll prompt you to create a collection, name it, and then hit the plus button.
So the next thing is Bubble Mail. Let me tell you how Bubble Mail has helped me increase my sales, because people will send you messages asking for certain things. And if you can provide that, and then what I normally do is, once I create it, and go back to the Bubble Mail message, and I make sure that I send them the direct link, so it gives them the option to buy right from the message that they initially sent me, and then they'll have the link if they wanted to share it with someone else to make a purchase. So most people will use Bubble Mail to ask if you have something, or can you get it in this year, or maybe this letter or this color. And that just helps you to see that maybe if one person asks, maybe there's 1,000 other people who want that same color, that style, or that year. So it can really make a difference with your business. I can't remember if you have to turn it on, or it automatically is a part of your Redbubble store that is automatically done for you, but we will go over that as well.
So Bubble Mail is just under your main topic. Right now it says you don't have any Bubble Mail, of course, because no one has sent me a message here and the store is not live, but you can get one. Also, there's another thing where you can message your buyers, and you can click that here in your dashboard.
So one of the last thing is design size. I just recently talked about this in one of my Redbubble videos, and making sure that you know how to find the size for each thing, and also how to make your stickers stand out on Redbubble with the sticker sheet, and with creating a shape for your stickers, so it's not just on like a block, especially if it's not like a design that has curves and things with it. You want to make sure your all over prints have potential to actually be a sticker or a magnet that someone would use, other than it being like a square shape. So those are really important things to go by, getting your design size right. Again, there is a help page with Redbubble that goes over every single design size for each product. And then I told you guys in the video, 8,000 by 8,000 pretty much does it for all of the products. That's probably like the biggest. Again, if you have Photoshop or something else that you can create that size of a design, that is perfect for you, and you will definitely be on your way to winning and having success on Redbubble.
All right, so I just did a quick Google search for Redbubble design dimensions, and it always takes me to this page. It gives you some information about the graphics and then dimensions and formats, and you can look through them all for each product.
So I hope you guys enjoy these 4 tips that could help you succeed on your Redbubble channel, on your Redbubble shop. So let me know down below in the comment section, which one of these tips are you going to be putting forth the effort to change or to make sure that you have success with your Redbubble store. If you guys would like me to do a Redbubble shop audit or review your store, let me know if I should do that, and then I'll go ahead and go to my community post and I'll create a post and I'll review some of your Redbubble shops. I do would like to buy some stuff from you guys Redbubble shops, but I will make a separate post for that once I move, because I'm in the process of moving and I don't want to have a lot of stuff coming to my house at separate times and then I miss out on getting a product. So let me know what you guys think about me doing one of those type of videos, and until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.